this video, I'll show you how to apply a rainbow neon effect to your video using CapCut PC. Let's use this clip as an example. Drag and drop your video into the timeline. Go to the Effects tab and select Video Effects. Type rainbow neon into the search bar to find the effect. Click the plus icon in the bottom right corner of the effect thumbnail to add it to your timeline. Adjust the effect's duration by dragging the edges of the effect layer to match your desired scene length. On the right panel, customize parameters like blur, twist, strength, glow, rotation, size, and speed to fine-tune the neon effect for your project. Preview the video to see the rainbow neon effect in action. Once satisfied, export your project. That's it. We hope this tutorial helps you create vibrant visuals. Thanks for watching.